whirlwind. It's very useful.
Yes, exactly. All the missing stuff you graduate.
So we're really excited to have the 8th grade students here at the 8th grade high school program fair. The students are getting to explore and learn about opportunities that they have in high school, so they get to learn about CTE programs of study.
This is Premier Choir.
This is over here. You see how it's like bigger and round and this one's small? This is basically the end of the valve.
We're representing Odessa High Athletics today and just making sure that we connect with all of our West Side feeders.
Your program where it's asking you to sign up in 8th grade because you're 9th grade, you have to do something.
What we're trying to recruit people to come to construction technology. I've been in it since today. We talked to our counselors. I've been in it, and it's been nothing but a great experience.
We're just showing the people, the kids, how the robots work.
And you're mainly learning about life skills.
I'm Alexandria Lunsford and I teach animation over at OHS.
Do y'all know the odds of you working in the oil field someday?
I like you get to meet your coaches more, and I feel like you get to meet the teachers more, and like the welding teachers, the cooking teachers, or like whatever you want to do.
I think it's awesome.